Hello lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking lasagna, which Italians call it pasticcio, so grab your apron and let's get started. Our lasagna is ready to serve. Trust me, this was so delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now, available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.